What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today we're going to talk to you about Hologram. I want to go over some of the current data points, break it down on what the hell is happening today and if it's justified or not. Before we get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So starting off, Hologram is down 5.89%. Very volatile day. So low of 25.5, high of 27.2. No actual news from the company itself, no SEC filings. Of course, the company is going to be doing that reverse stock split effective tomorrow. So that 1 for 20. So in case you do not know, the actual price itself will be times by 20, whatever it does close at. And then on a personal level, take your current shares divided by 20 and your average times by 20. And that's what tomorrow is going to kind of look like. So all in all, nothing really crazy. But the reason why Hologram is down today is because of this. So Chinese government did a press conference to kind of further elaborate on the stimulus and what that might look like. And the broader market didn't get that warm fuzzy feeling, didn't get much transparency on what that whole stimulus was going to really look like. So as a byproduct, Hologram and Chinese stocks are pulling back. And Hologram is kind of a weird scenario, only because when this whole stimulus was announced, or at least tentatively announced, like Hologram didn't participate in that, which in reality wasn't necessarily the best. But when obviously this negative aspect of it affects Hologram, is kind of one of those lose-lose scenarios. So they didn't really, again, participate in the initial FOMO, but during negative sides, it just gets dragged down. So in my opinion, today is unjustified. You guys do with that what you will. If you guys want to buy the dip or whatever else based on this, it does show that retail is buying from the momentum indicator. So they've been buying ever since it looks like September the 12th, slowly, but as of it looks like the 27th, it really did pick up. And so it kind of broke above that 0 point right there. So yeah, all in all, this is a overreaction. Of course, what could come post reverse stock split is anyone's guess. A lot of people started to say after the very first reverse stock split, which was right over here, that 1 for 10, 2 or 3 days after that was fully kicked in, they squeezed. So once again, does that mean something? Does that not? You guys do with that, again, what you will. I like to believe that a stock would go up naturally based on fundamental news or just the fact that Hologram has X amount of cash on hand. But a stock could just go up post reverse stock split. You see a lot of people on social media saying that this is a stock to watch for it to squeeze post reverse stock split. So let me know you guys' thoughts. As far as squeeze, so 3.72% of the free float is being shorted, works out to be 7.72 million shares. As of right now, shorts are increasing 387,000 shares. Cost to borrow average 14.57, utilization 86.8, and then short score, so the higher the number, the higher the likelihood of a squeeze happening, is 58.16. And just to give you a quick overview, today big money isn't really buying the dip, so no big transactions occurring on the secondary market above $100,000. And like I've insinuated, I think Hologram has run its speculation for a while now, so I think institutions are just waiting for news. Just show me, do something, and then they could buy, right? Because Hologram was a very, and is, I guess, still a very big momentum play, and in order for that to occur, you need a lot of capital to get in. So let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Right now with it at 26.2, it is trading between this S1 and the pivot, so 33 cents will be the next strong resistance / target, and then 24 is going to be the next strong support. But take all that with a grain of salt, because momentum stocks, again, sometimes this matters, sometimes it doesn't. Like I've insinuated in the past, one very good indicator to buy Hologram based off of is looking at the volume. That seems to be the telltale sign. As soon as it does break that 100 mil, that usually is a good sign, historically speaking, of course, that you're going to have a nice run up from there. So let me know you guys' thoughts on Hologram. Have you been buying? Have you been selling? What was your guys' takeaway from this? This actual video isn't in English, but there's a lot of other variations of this with English subtitles and stuff like that. But yeah, I think this is a very easy fix, because they could just easily come out and just say, here, this is a plan, and pretty much this sell-off that is happening or occurring with Hologram and many other Chinese stocks could just easily revert back to what it was. So let me know you guys' thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Take advantage of this promo. Simply sign up for a new account, throw $100 at it. They give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. This is a kick-ass deal. Link to this is in the description below and also the comments. With all that said, appreciate all of you guys watching.